On Saturday, the district administration in Dharwad issued fresh guidelines for the lockdown, easing a few restrictions. The new guidelines allow bakeries, groceries, shops selling fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, and milk parlors to remain open from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. from Monday to June 14th. Fair price shops, meanwhile, will stay open between 1 a.m. and 12 p.m. Takeaway and deliveries at restaurants will be allowed at restaurants between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. However, they can operate kitchens for delivery till 8 p.m. As cases of the black fungus rise in North Karnataka, the region is witnessing severe shortage of the antifungal drug which is being used to treat the fungal infection. The shortage has also made way for illegal sales and black marketing. Police arrested 3 people working at a private hospital in Hubli on Friday for selling the drug. The incident has shed a light on the racket involved in selling the life-saving drug illegally at exorbitant prices. The Karnataka government said on Saturday that it will cap the treatment cost of black fungus in private hospitals across the state. A potentially fatal fungal infection, the black fungus spreads rapidly from the nose and sinuses to the face, jaw, eyes, and brain, entailing expensive treatment and long hospitalization. Hundreds of families are shelling out lakhs on antifungal drugs, the prices of which have been rocketed in recent weeks following a spike in cases. Karnataka Minister Arvind Limbavali on Saturday said the state government will take the legal action against Amazon Canada if it does not apologize to Kannadigas for promoting the sale of bikini with the Karnataka flag. The state's emblem is also printed on one of them. This happens 2 days after the Google search engine showed Kannada as the ugliest language, drawing the ire of the state government and Karnataka people. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal asked the centre why it stalled its ambitious doorstep delivery of ration scheme in the national capital, which he said would have benefited lakhs of poor people. Questioning the centre, he said just 2 days before the doorstep delivery of ration scheme's implementation in Delhi, the central government stopped it. If pizza delivery can be allowed amid the COVID-19 pandemic, then why not ration? Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced various relaxations on Saturday, allowing Delhi metro trains to operate with 50% capacity and shops and markets and malls to reopen on odd-even basis from June 7th, as he asserted that the city's economy needs to be revived in view of improving COVID-19 situation. The government also allowed all standalone and neighborhood shops to function, implying that liquor vends will open from Monday, when all the new relaxations will come into force in the national capital. The TNC party elevated Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee as its National General Secretary on Saturday. The decision to appoint Abhishek, the MP from Diamond Harbour, was announced at an organizational meeting. Al Jazeera reporter Givara Buteri was released late Saturday, several hours after border police detained her in the Sheikh Jarrah neighborhood, where she had been wearing body armor marked press. Al Jazeera said police also destroyed equipment belonging to a cameraman for the channel. The UK government's decision to cut foreign aid spending will leave 55,000 women and girls without access to shelter to escape domestic abuse in Syria, according to the International Rescue Committee. The UK set out plans earlier this year to reduce its foreign aid budget from 0.7% to its gross domestic product to 0.5% in light of the effects of the coronavirus pandemic on the economy. The move has drawn sharp criticism at home and from the international community. The UK Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office said the cuts are only a temporary measure.